Good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to my video. Ito po yung aming lunch for today. Meron po kaming sweet mango at yung ginisang munggo na merong chicharon at mixed green na veggies. Kayo po, ano po ang inyong lunch? Sana nag-enjoy rin po kayo sa inyong lunch. Thank you for watching once again. Thank you for the heart likes and your beautiful comments. Pwede na to. Kain po tayo.